Hi guys, welcome to our monthly inspiration hop. I'll have a playlist in the description box. You can hop to each creator, leave some love, come back to the link in the description box and enter into a giveaway for a $25 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby Shop. I will announce the winner on the YouTube community tab in 1 week. You'll see lots of inspiration using our brand new products for November. And guess what, guys? 2 boxes just became available. If you want to snag this box up, I'll have the link in the description box for you. This is our box of the month that has the Highland cows. It's super, super cute, guys. Let me share that real quick with you. I also have 1 junior box available. So in your box, you're going to get 2 paper pads, 2 ephemera packs, 2 large stamp sets, a sampling of our A2 card fronts, a little goodie bag with a Highland cow sticker and a clear bookmark and some tea and some enamel dots. The ephemera, guys, is just so stinking cute. We've got the herds all here in Western cows. How adorable. And you're able to purchase these paper products individually in the shop, as well as the 2 paper pads. We've got Kick Up Your Boots and Cowgirl Charm. Your 2 stamp sets. You get 1 6x6 stamp set. This is called Utterly You. It's so adorable. All these little different Highland cows with all these cute little sayings underneath them. How cute is that? If you wanted to, you could do some stamp surgery and just cut off the sentiments if you didn't want them with your images, or just mask over that. But I did it this way so you can get a ton in there. We've got a 6x8 stamp set. How cute is this? It's called Saddle Up. Love this one with the wagon wheel. We've got a sheriff with coffee. We've got one playing a guitar. This one's dancing. You can create a little night scene with the little moon and stars. How cute is that? And then your A2 card fronts are just so adorable. There's so many cute designs in here. Let me share the one card that I did using the A2 card fronts. How cute is that? And then the little sentiment comes on the back of your pack. And then we have Teresa's one and done sentiment die that you'll want to pick up, not only to have pretty strips on hand for whenever you need to stamp out a sentiment that will fit inside here. It also cuts out the sentiments in the back. So you'll just line that up perfectly, add a little washi tape to the side, and then run it through your machine. And then you've got 11 sentiments all ready to go in one pass. Super, super fun. The A2 card fronts going forward will have the same design with different sentiments that match the theme. That way you can use your one and done sentiment die over and over. Here are some super cute Highland cow cards. So this one is with the Western cows and Kick Up Your Boots paper pad. Thought it turned out so cute. This one is with the Cowgirl Charm and the herds all here ephemera. So fun. And this one is with the Cowgirl Charm paper pad and the 6x6 stamp set Utterly You. We have our paper pad club of the month, which is birthday theme. So we've got Rugged Birthday and Make a Wish. Just a perfect combination to have in your stash when you need something more masculine or something more feminine. And then we have the stamp set Say It With Birthday Style, which has all sorts of birthday wishes on here. Great to go with both of these collections. So I absolutely love this. Great to have in your stash. When you opt in for ephemera and the stamp set, it's the I Want It All option. It's a great little kit you'll get every month for a great price. When you subscribe, you get 18% off. You'll also get a juicy discount to the shop to use all month long, which is awesome. Make-A-Wish ephemera will match your Make-A-Wish paper pad. And then this rugged birthday paper pad has some beautiful images on the inside that you can fussy cut out. So here's the example that I have with the images from the inside of the paper pad. I thought that just turned out really cool. Another year, another adventure from the stamp set here. And then all these 3 elements here are from inside the paper pad. You can also fussy cut the fish that are on this sheet of paper, which is really cute. And then on the inside, I have happy birthday. The card I did with Make-A-Wish turned out super, super cool. The 2 little birds are holding up a banner that says fun. I've got May All Your Dreams Come True. This is from a little stamp and die set, the Ultimate Sentiment Stamp Set and Die Set, designed by LV Handcrafted, will be releasing on November 15th. So I love how this turned out. And then we have another amazing product that just launched. If you haven't grabbed it yet, grab Teresa's brand new sticker book, her first ever sticker book. This is the Cozy Season Sticker Book Volume 1. I absolutely love this. The stickers in here are gorgeous. They're perfect for Dutch door making. So if you love to make Dutch door spreads or Dutch doors on your cards, we have mirrored images. So you can stick them, sandwich them together, and that would also make a great spinner card. So beautiful stickers in here. Those roses are gorgeous. Lovely, lovely border. Beautiful pumpkins and sunflowers. Fun fall sentiments. Washi tape that matches, and little boxes and flags and checklist dots. Just really great for planning and journaling. If you just want to use this for card making, you can use these on your cards as well. I have the design team that's used these on cards and it looks fabulous. I'll pop a picture in. There's a peppermint collection, which is so cute. There's the card I did using the peppermint one, and I used the autumn one on this card. The paper is But First Coffee, and then this one was the peppermint latte paper. And then we've got gingerbread themed stickers, and there's 2 pages of that with mirrored images. I have a playlist of some designers creating with the sticker book, so if you need some more inspiration, we've got you covered. So all the links to the products will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for hopping with us today. I hope you find lots of inspiration along the way, and don't forget to enter into the giveaway by using that link in the description box. One winner will randomly be pulled to win the $25 gift certificate. Don't forget to subscribe monthly if you want to reserve next month's designs. Next month, we will be doing our Valentine's Day release, so amazing, super cute images and products you're not going to want to miss. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys!